DuroMax XP10000E 16 HP 4-cycle gas-powered portable generator. Anyone who is searching for a portable generator, the DuroMax portable generator is an ultimate solution. The DuroMax XP10000E portable generator has 16.0 HP air-cooled engine. Includes both a standard recoil and an electric start. The DuroMax portable generator has wheel kit with a flip-up, stowaway handle. Has a heavy-duty steel frame and can run up to 10 hours on half load. The DuroMax is definitely an excellent generator due to its performance and portability. At very reasonable price, it can give power backup up to 10 hours. Looking for DuroMax portable generator? Visit link below.